In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF using Google Drive. This process is incredibly handy when you need to convert a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file into a PDF format for easy sharing or printing. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly from the comfort of your browser. First, you'll need to open your web browser and perform a quick search to access Google Drive. You can simply type Google Drive into your search engine and look for the direct link. Or even better, if you're familiar with the URL, you can head straight to drive.google.com. This will get you into the main hub of all your stored files in Google Drive, where you can find everything you've uploaded or created using Google's suite of productivity tools. Once you're there, if you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to log in. Usually, Google Drive smartly recognizes your existing account if you're logged into your browser, but in case it asks, just enter your login credentials to gain access. Now that you're in Google Drive, the next step is to locate the specific file you want to convert to a PDF. This could be a Google Docs document, a Sheets spreadsheet, or a Slides presentation. Navigate through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file you need. Once you've found your document, click to open it. This will take you to the editing interface, where you can view and make any last-minute changes if needed. With your file open, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the File option. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, hover your cursor over the Open With option, and you should see another list. Among these options, you will find Download as PDF. Select this option, which tells Google Drive you want to convert and download your file in the convenient PDF format. Occasionally, if you're accessing the PDF download feature for the first time, the system may prompt you to accept some terms and conditions. Go ahead and agree to these terms to continue. Once everything is agreed upon, you'll notice a new tab opening in your browser. This page will automatically handle the conversion process and initiate the PDF download. In just a few moments, you'll find the PDF file saved on your computer, ready to be used, emailed, or printed out as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PDF from a Google Drive file. This method is quite straightforward, ensuring that you can transition any document into a more portable format with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful, and make sure to explore other features of Google Drive for enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time.